I would want us to look at some of the warning signs that you notice if you're having a stroke, so that you always be careful or you'll be alert if someone is having a stroke. You understand? Or you yourself, if you're having a stroke, then you will be alert with regards to that. A stroke is an emergency. Hence, if someone is being delayed when he or she is having a stroke, the brain damage will become very, very serious. And basically, stroke occurs when blood supply to a part of your brain has become impaired. We have two types of stroke, where we have the hemorrhagic stroke and the ischemic stroke. Now, with hemorrhagic stroke, it occurs when a particular blood supply to your brain rupture or burst. Hence, that person might be bleeding inside the brain. And for ischemic stroke, it occurs when the blood vessels supplying the brain become blocked. So something is blocking the blood vessel supplying the brain. So that is the two types of stroke. Now, let us look at the warning sign that you notice if you're having a stroke. Hence, we have an acronym called Be Fast. The acronym is Be Fast. The first one is B, which is balance. Because you know yourself that at first you are able to walk by yourself. But now, you've noticed that even walking has become very difficult. If someone doesn't hold you, you can't be able to walk by yourself. Then that means that is the first sign. Your balance is being affected. Then the second thing is E. The E is the eyes. So you will notice that sometimes your eye have become blurry. And there are also some people that at first they're able to see by themselves, but now they've noticed that they are unable to see things very clearly. You understand? And that might also be a warning sign that probably you might be having a stroke. Then the next thing we need to talk about is the F. And the F is the facial involvement. Now, there are some people that at first, when you look at their face or when they are smiling, there's symmetry with regards to their face. But when someone begins having a stroke, you notice that when the person tries smiling, like that person's face, you do like it. The smiling, no. The person's face have deviated. And that is facial deviation. You understand? Then the next thing we talk about is arm. Now, there are some people that when they are having a stroke, they begin experiencing some form of weakness in a part of their arm. And that kind of weakness in that part of their arm can be an indication that probably you might be having a stroke. You understand? Then, and the next thing is the S. The S is the speech. Speech. Because there are some people, when they begin experiencing stroke, they will notice that at first they are able to talk by themselves with no difficulty. But now, when they begin talking, it's like there's a kind of heaviness in their throat and mouth. They can't be able to even speak correctly. You understand? So let's say now that you can see that I'm talking very audible, when someone begin having a stroke, you notice that the speech will be impaired. Like, what are you saying? You see, my speech. You see that when someone is begin having a stroke, the speech will become impaired. Hence, you can't even hear what the person is saying audible. You understand? You can't hear what the person is saying. And that might also be another indication that probably you might be having a stroke. Then the last thing we need to talk about is the T, which is time sensitive. Time sensitive. Now, the reason why stroke is a time sensitive kind of condition is that the more you wait, the more you delay someone who is having a stroke, the more there is damage to the brain. The more you wait or you delay someone, if someone is having a stroke, the more you delay, the more the brain gets damaged, because blood supply to the brain will become impaired. You understand? Blood supply to the brain will become impaired. So you always need to look at these warning signs that I've highlighted, which is the Be Fast, the balance, the eye, the facial involvement, the arm, the speech, and also time sensitive. Because you see, when someone is having a stroke, just I said earlier, there are two different types of stroke, which is the hemorrhagic stroke and the ischemic stroke. So if someone is experiencing stroke, you might not know whether it's the hemorrhagic stroke or it's the ischemic stroke. It is the doctors, based on their assessment and certain kind of investigations, that they can be able to know that a person is having hemorrhagic stroke or ischemic stroke. But you yourself, or just a lay person at home cannot know that someone is having hemorrhagic stroke or ischemic stroke. I hope you understand. So it's very, very important that when someone is having a stroke, that person needs to be pushed or rushed immediately to the hospital so that further investigations will be done in order for doctors to know whether it is actually stroke or not. Sometimes it might not be that it is stroke itself. Sometimes other medical conditions can tip someone into having some form of signs and symptoms which might not be stroke. So it is doctors that can be able to identify or diagnose someone with stroke, and with certain kind of investigations they can be able to know that a person might be having a stroke.